You know that feeling when the hood drops, the arc lights up, and you think, I could run this whole job? Good, hold that. Because welding is just the first step. The people checking the welds, proving the jobs, signing the reports, they started right where you are. Certified welding inspector, pressure vessels, piping, storage tanks. Every one of those titles is a door, and every door pays better than the last. Here's the secrets. Nobody's handing out keys. You earn one with the right training, the right practice, and a plan that actually works. That's NDT Academy, exam prep that takes you from your first cert to your next one, step by step by step. The best CWI and API training on the internet launches August 1st. Your next step is waiting. Take it.